And as we walk into the Pallazio, you notice this beautiful entryway has a tray ceiling, gorgeous chandelier, just really inviting opening to the home. Off to the right, we have one of the 3 bathrooms, and this is near one of the 3 bedrooms, so it gives your guests the feel of their own ensuite. And as we go across the hallway, we have a beautiful office setup. Notice the woodworking on both sides of the room just gives it a very, very elegant feel. Something that you can easily work in day to day. And as we walk across this open floor plan, we go into the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom does have an ensuite bath, and the builder continued the stunning woodworking on the walls. Just gives this home so much character. And just off that is the laundry room with cabinets galore. Now this open floor plan adjoins a dining room and living room. The living room has a nice tray ceiling with recessed lighting, and this is connected with the open gourmet kitchen. We have gas range and hood, beautiful stainless steel refrigerator, and extended cabinetry throughout, so you will have no shortage of cooking space. Now just off the living room is the stunning master. Once again, tray ceilings just opens this home up so much. And adjoining to the master is the absolutely massive master bathroom with rain shower head and an amazing shower, as you can see here. This bathroom has double vanities and a full mirror. The master closet is absolutely one of my favorites. The built-ins just give you such ease and organization and just really optimize your storage space. Now the outside is one of the highlights of the home. As you can see, the pool and hot tub also have the panoramic screen in the back just to give you the full view of the lake. Love the features in this pool. You can see yourself just spending hours here during the summer. And I love the sitting space that we have on this outdoor space. The TV is above an electric fireplace and an outdoor kitchen, so it's just easy to entertain guests for games, for any sort of event that you have.